welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and click that notification bell because you do not want to miss out on any of my eyeshadow tutorials or any of my giveaway videos. So this look was inspired by one of my favorite desserts, and that's red velvet cake, and so was my hair. If you'd like to know what color my hair is and what hair color I did use, I'll have that listed down below. And also, if you'd like to see how I got this look, then go ahead and stay tuned.